present in living trees, how long ago was the artifact made? Wouldn't artifacts start out with 100% of the carbon-14 that they have when they're alive? So that's our initial amount. Our A is always going to, our P is always going to be 100%. Now, the thing that we are not told here is what R is. So the first step is to calculate R. And we're going to calculate R by using the fact that we know the half-life of carbon-14 is 5,730 years. So if I know that the half-life is 5,730 years, how long does it take till I end up with half of what I started with? No. 5,730. So I can use that to find out R, because I know that in 5,730 years, I'm going to end up with half of what I started with, or 50% of the carbon-14. So then I work through this to solve for R. What's the first step to solve for R? Divide by 100, so I get 1/2 equals e to the r times 5,730. The next step, change to logarithmic form, so it will be the natural log of 1/2 equals r times 5,730. And then last but not least, divide by 5,730, so natural log of 1/2 divided by 5,730 equals R. Now once I have R, then I have my basic formula, A equals 100 e to the natural log of 1/2 divided by 5,730 times t, that will describe what happens to this wooden artifact. Now, I'm supposed to find out when I end up at 55%. How long does that take? Where would I put 55%? I put that in for A. So to find out how long it takes to get to 55, I put 55 in for A. That's equal to 100 e to the natural log of 1/2 over 5,730 times t. And then I'll solve for t, going through the same process I went through over here when I solved for r, which means first step is divide by 100, so I'll have 55 divided by 100 equals e to the natural log of 1/2 over 5,730 times t, and then change to the other form. The other form will be the natural log of 55 over 100 equals what? Equals what? Natural log of 1/2 divided by 5,730 times t. It's this exponent. Yes, that exponent has a natural log in it, but that's okay. So now how do I solve for t? Divide by this mess. So what I'm going to have is the natural log of 55 over 100 divided by the natural log of 1/2 over 5,730 is equal to t. And if you pull out your calculator, you can find out what that is. How much, what? You got 4,942 point some odd years? Everybody agree with that?
Yeah.
Does that make sense? Does that number 4,000 something, 942 make sense in terms of this problem? Why not?
50% of 5730 is a lot less than 41.
Oh, but it's not 50, it doesn't say that it goes down linearly. It says that that's how long it takes for you to get to half. So am I at half yet?
Well, you're not at half, but
Am I close to half? Yeah, I'm pretty close to half, so I should be not too far off from 5,700. Well, 4,900 is not too far off from 5,700, is it?
And it'd be closer to the halfway point, though.
No, because you're not even close, you're closer to being at 50% than to being at 75%, which would be the halfway point, right? 4,900 something is actually a pretty reasonable answer in terms of it's more than 5,730. I mean, less than 5,730, because by then you'd be at exactly half. And it's not very close to 0 years, because, you know, we're kind of far away from that when we're down to 55%, so.